evening. Now we're gonna cook a really quick and good fish soup. Here, start with fry up a little onion, garlic, ginger first.
Really good.
For the chef. One always. Do next will be this coconut milk, with salt, pepper, and a little fish broth.
Break.
And tomato puree. Maybe that much. So. And I'm gonna take little ketchup, I think, too. And here we put in carrots. And potato.
This white thing is actually potato.
Yeah, we bought this in Bequia.
Yes.
And this Barbados.
Yummy.
Down with this. So now this gonna cook for 30 minutes, or the potato and the carrot must be a little soft.
Electricity went off.
The fuse blew. Yeah, the fuse.
Here we go.
Now we can continue.
Right.
Okay. 20-30 minutes. Now the potato and the carrot are a little soft. I have added a little of this Timjan when you were away. So now we're gonna put in some scallops and our own Mahi Mahi.
Yes. best fish I've ever eat.
Yes. This is only gonna be in for maybe 3 minutes. And then you can put it off and let it rest for maybe 2-3 minutes more before. So this was a very quick and very good fish soup from Sailing Nipe.